it's really dry now. That was so quick. Under 2 minutes? Yeah, under 2 minutes. Or under... Yeah, that was so quick. My hair is dry. It is dry. That's why many people like this one, because it does makes the hair dry up so fast. It was hot. Whew, it's dry now. I like it. And yeah, if you want your hair really, straight and not wavy, just blow dry your hair, because the heat will make it, the strands of your hair really relax and makes it straight. I like my hair straight like this. I have a chi hair straightener, which I rarely use. I only use that for special occasion, like going to the church. So my hair is dry right now. And that was so quick, amazing. Yeah, that was so quick, guys. So that was my review of this one. Hope you like this video and subscribe or like this video for more beauty product updates. Bye, see ya.